my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. So today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a delicious, refreshing acai bowl. Now, if you're not sure what it is, basically it's a fruit smoothie in a bowl with some of your favorite toppings. So if you want to see how I make mine, please keep watching. But before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Turn on all those notifications just in case whenever I do put up a video, you'll be the first to know, okay? So enough talking, let's get cooking. Now this recipe is going to be really easy because everything goes into the blender. So I'm going to start off with a half a cup of frozen strawberries. And I love blueberries, so I have a half a cup of frozen blueberries. And I have a bag of acai energizing powder that you can find at most frozen sections at grocery stores. Just a mixture of frozen fruits and some frozen kale, and into the blender that goes. I'm going to cut one banana in half, put one half in the blender, and I'm going to use the other half later on. And so to make sure that it blends up really smoothly, I'm going to put 1 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Now all you have to do is just make sure the top to your blender is on tight and just blend, blend, blend until everything is nice and smooth. Okay, so everything is blended up really nicely, and I have enough to make around 2 to 3 acai bowls, but really all you have to do is just get a bowl and just pour the mixture in, and you can top it off with whatever you like. I like to usually top it off with the fruits that I used in the beginning, like some strawberries, and also with different textures. I'm going to sprinkle in some coconut chips. And here I sliced the other half of the banana that I cut up earlier, and I'm going to top it off with some sliced bananas. And here's some blueberries. I love blueberries and strawberries. They're my favorite fruits, and it's so healthy because it has full of antioxidants. And lastly, I'm going to sprinkle in some granola. And there you have it, you guys. You can get your morning started with this delicious acai bowl. And if you enjoyed this video, please like it. I'd really appreciate it. Share it with everybody that you know. Hit me on Instagram, tag me, take a picture. I would love to see it, and leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. This far, go ahead and subscribe to my channel by clicking that box you see right there. And if you want to see another video, go ahead and click that box you see right there. Until then, thank you so much for watching. I love and appreciate you all, and I will see you very soon in my next video. Bye bye.